Welcome to another flight review. This time I was flying with ICELANDAIR from Keflavik in Iceland to Zurich in Switzerland on board their Boeing 757 in business class. After a very early morning bus ride to Keflavik airport, I went straight to the check-in. Straight after I went through security to the ICELANDAIR Saga Lounge. What a beautiful lounge this was. Check it out. And while I was enjoying all the amenities of the lounge, I also enjoyed the contemporary design of the lounge and this beautiful sunrise. The lounge also offers a pretty nice view onto the ramp. It also offers a shower room, so in case you need one in the morning and you didn't have time in the hotel, here you go. But now it's time to go to the gate, because my flight is departing soon and I don't want to miss the priority boarding. The economy class of this Boeing 757 is equipped in a 3-3 layout, while the business class has a 2-2 layout, as you can see. A bottle of water was already waiting for me at the seat, and shortly after I was handed out a blanket for the flight. Headrest can be adjusted to make me feel a bit more comfortable when sitting. However, I think I'm slightly too tall, so the headrest was a bit too low for me in this case. It's not the latest lay flat business class, but the legroom is okay, so I can't complain, especially since we are talking about a pan-European flight. And check out these 90s style overhead controls. I just received this little box with the headphones in it, but we will check it out a bit later. We are finally being pushed back and I am ready to enjoy for the first time ICELANDAIR's business class. I'm already very much looking forward to depart over the rough and wild landscape of Iceland. handed out a menu, and since it's an early morning flight, I expect a breakfast. The menu also lists champagne, so why not have a champagne breakfast? While I enjoy the champagne and the nuts that came with it while I wait for breakfast, let's have a look also at the internet connection, which is complimentary for business class passengers. It's not the fastest internet connection, but it works, and that's us crossing the Atlantic towards Scotland. I promised I will show you the headphones, and here we go. It's a noise cancelling headphone which works pretty well. And while we are at it, let's check out the in-flight entertainment that ICELANDAIR is offering. So we have the movies, TV, music and so on, and the movie selection looks like this. I'm just scrolling through so you can see at least a little bit what's on offer back in August 2022 when I was taking this flight. But still my favorite channel is the Moving Flight Map. Breakfast is arriving, so let's see what we have here. I got a croissant, omelette, some veggies and cold cuts, muesli, yogurt and a coffee of course. So it's quite a heartful breakfast, making sure nobody will leave the flight hungry. Breakfast is done and everything is removed, so it's time to chill for the rest of the flight, enjoy the in-flight entertainment or especially the view. I just realized I didn't tell you anything about the seat recline. Well, here we go. It's not too much. It's just enough to be in a lounge position to relax and enjoy the view or watch a movie. The quite attentive cabin crew is frequently asking if I'm alright, if I have all my drinks, if I'm still hungry, and I also got treated with this lava chocolate thingy. Let's check where we are in the meanwhile, and I can see I have only a little bit of time left to enjoy this business class experience and to make the best out of it. let's not forget to add this flight experience to my travel journal before we have to get ready for landing in Zurich. So how did I like this flight? I very much enjoyed the attentive cabin, the service was very nice, I loved the breakfast with the champagne appetizer, and I'm aware the hard product is a bit dated, as is the aircraft itself. The Boeing 757 is more than 20 years old. However, I would immediately consider ICELANDAIR again to fly at least in business class. So therefore, I am totally happy with this flight experience and I only can recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this flight review and don't forget to subscribe if you like it and also comment and like. This will help me to grow the channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.